Welcome to Dalal Street Daily, your crisp and clear update on the Indian stock market. Let's dive into the big highlights from Friday, June 20th, 2025. It was a strong rebound day on Dalal Street. Sensex surged over 1,000 points, closing just around 82,408. Nifty 50 soared past the 25,100 mark, ending at about 25,112. Both indices were up nearly 1.3%. After 3 straight sessions of decline, the bulls were back in charge. So, what powered this rally? First, the RBI gave a shot in the arm by easing project finance norms. This was a huge boost for banks and NBFCs. Next, global cues turned positive. The US Fed hinted at possible rate cuts later this year, sparking optimism across world markets. Foreign investors also joined the party. FIIs turned net buyers this week, pumping in nearly Rs 710 crore, which helped pull back much of June's earlier sell-off. And don't forget the Middle East factor. Easing tensions there brought down crude oil prices, which in turn helped the rupee strengthen. Now, looking at sectors. Financials led the rally. HDFC Bank jumped 1.6%, and Jio Financial surged over 3.6%. Telecom was buzzing too, with Bharti Airtel rising more than 3%. Auto and metal sectors also saw solid gains. Among individual stars, Trent was up nearly 4%. But not everyone was celebrating. Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp slipped over 1%. And even among winners, Bajaj Finance and Tata Steel posted only modest gains. On the volatility front, India VIX fell nearly 4%, settling around 13.7. But Nifty's option premium stayed high, which means traders are still a bit cautious. Here's an interesting tidbit. Tighter SEBI rules have halved derivatives trader participation, from 5.5 million down to around 3 million, as revealed by NSE CEO Ashish Chauhan. Globally, foreign inflows are returning as the dollar weakens and hopes for rate cuts grow. NSE is also investing in tech, adding 2,000 new co-location racks for faster trades, a big move for high-frequency trading. Currency check, the rupee appreciated to Rs 86, 58 per dollar, and crude oil prices dropped nearly 2% as geopolitical risks eased. Looking ahead, SEBI's board has cleared reforms to align Indian markets with global norms. RBI's mock trading system test is set for June 21st. And all eyes are on HDFC's NBFC arm IPO, possibly hitting the market between June 25th to 27th. So, Friday's bounce was all about strong domestic policies, global tailwinds, and robust institutional buying. But remember, volatility can still sneak in from global or political headlines. Thanks for tuning into Dalal Street Daily. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your fellow market enthusiasts, and join me next week for more sharp insights. Until then, trade smart and stay informed. Signing off.